Hi students, welcome to Narayan PU College online classes. Today we are going to discuss new chapter sequences and series. So first we will study about the sequence, then later series. So what is meaning of sequence? In general meaning, sequence is nothing but the progression. So, how to define that progression or sequence? If you take the numbers, the arrangement of numbers in either ascending order or descending order. Either ascending order or descending order is called sequence. Is called sequence. Simple definition ma, the numbers arranging in either be ascending order or descending order. We know the meaning of ascending and descending. Ascending order means from lower to higher. Descending order means from higher number to lower number. We can arrange any way. That we can call it as the sequence. This is definition of the sequence. Next, in that sequence we can denote the terms in, we denote terms in the sequence. Terms is nothing but the numbers. If for example 1 2 3 4 is there, 1 is one term, 2 number 2 is another term, like that each and every one element we can call it as the terms. We denote terms in the sequence is A1, A2, A3 and so on AN with subscripts. With subscripts. Here subscript is nothing but the position of the element. What is meaning of that? Subscripts is also we can call position. Position of the element. For example, here we are taking A1. This is what the position, first position. This we can call it as the subscripts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is suffix. What will be there? That we can call it the subscripts or position. So A1 means first position, A2 second position of the sequence, A3 third position of the sequence, like that position will be described. Okay. Next, in that sequence the nth term will be there. The nth term is the position of last term in the sequence. Last term in the sequence. So nth term in the sense, if you take for example here A1, A2, A3 and so on AN. Here this is the last term AN. That we can call it as the nth term of the sequence. Nth term is denoted by nth term is denoted by AN or TN. We can denote either be AN or TN. That TN is nothing but the position of the element at N, at nth position of the element. This is briefly regarding about the sequence. So for example, if you take 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Not only one, you can take the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. Suppose even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. The numbers arranging in certain positions, either be ascending order or be descending order. That we can say the sequence of the example. You can take anything, okay, based on the ascending order or descending order. Now if you take, for example, I will take up to here 100. What is the nth position of this element? How many elements are there here? Up to 100 elements is there. This last element we can call it as the nth element. If here n we know it 100. This is the 100th element of the sequence. We don't know, suppose 100 they give and so on. Which is the last, that we can call it as nth term. Now in that sequence, finite sequence will be there. Finite sequence. The sequence which is countable, the number of elements in the sequence is countable or otherwise finite. The number of terms in the sequence is finite is called finite sequence. Is called finite sequence. Example, if you take natural numbers up to 20, for example 1, 2, 3 and so on 20. If you take suppose natural number up to 100, it is countable. How many elements are there here? 20 elements, which is countable. That's what this sequence we can call it as finite sequence. Next, infinite sequence. Infinite sequence means same thing. The number of terms in the sequence is infinite. It's not countable. So the number of terms in the sequence is infinite or not countable. Infinite is called infinite sequence. Infinite sequence. For example, you can take 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. No ending at all. And so on we can take the elements. If you suppose the ending will be there, that is countable, that is finite sequence. And so on. Many elements are there, that is the infinite sequence. This is briefly regarding about the sequence definition, position of the sequence, and finite sequence and infinite sequence. Next, series. So if you know the sequence, we can define the series easily. The sequence, the expression, first the expression of the sequence A1, A2, A3 and so on AN in the form of A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on AN is called series. Any sequence if you take, if you write in the form of summation, for example 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there, what is the series of that sequence is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Only terms write in the form of summation, a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4 and so on plus an. So series is denoted by sigma. Sigma is nothing but, this is the symbol, sigma, summation. So the whole thing we can denote it by that is summation I equal to 1 to k I starting from 1 and so on up to k, up to infinite we can write a. This summation is defined series of the sequence. Okay. Instead of k, we can take it as n. Up to n elements we can take this expression. For example, I value 1 substitute a1 plus summation is nothing but the addition, summation, sigma. Next I value 2 substitute a2, I value 3 substitute and so on, I value n substitute an. This is series definition regarding the sequence. These are the introduction about the sequences and series, definition of sequence and definition of the series. In the sequence what we take in last n compulsory positive integer we need to take. N value a1, a2 and so on up to an will be there. In that n, small n, compulsory you need to take the positive integer, suffix values. Okay, we will discuss some examples. First problem, write the first 3 terms in write the first 3 terms in each of the following sequences defined by the following. So in that first one, an equal to 2n plus 5. Second one, an equal to n minus 3 by 4. So nth term is given an. It is asking the first 3 terms of the sequence is asking. Based on the question only we need to calculate. Suppose first 3 will ask a1, a2, a3. First 5 will ask a1, a2, a3, a4, a5. According to the question we need to find that. Base nth term is given. First 3 terms a1. First term n equal to 1. a1 equal to 2 into 1 plus 5. 2 1 is 2, 2 plus 5, 7. Second term, n value 2. a2 equal to, so wherever n is there 2 substitute. 2 into 2 plus 5. 2 2 is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Third term, n equal to 3 means a3 value. So wherever n is there 3 substitute. 2 into 3 plus 5. 2 3 6, 6 plus 5 11. So therefore the first 3 terms of sequences are A1, how much we got? 7, A2 value 9, A3 value 11. So like that, second also we can calculate. N equal to 1, comma, A1. Wherever n is there, 1 substitute. 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 4. Minus 1 by 2. Next n value 2 substitute. A2. In place of n, 2 substitute. 2 minus 3 by 4. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 4. N equal to 3 substitute. A3. 3 minus 3 divided by 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 by 4 is 0. Therefore, the first 3 terms of sequences are first term minus 1 by 2, second term minus 1 by 4 and 0. This is the way to calculate terms of the sequences. Next example. What is the 20th term of the? What is the 20th term of the sequence defined by an equal to n minus 1 into 2 minus n into 3 plus n question mark. So here nth term is given, particular term is asking. 20th term means in place of n directly we can take the 20. He didn't ask the first 20 terms, only position of particular term only is asking. So solution, 20th term is A20. Suppose 15th term will ask n value 15. 5th term will ask n value 5. Like that position of the element you can take it. So n value 20 substitute in that given sequence. 20 minus 1 into 2 minus 20 into 3 plus 20. 20 minus 1 is 19 into 2 minus 20 is minus 18 into 3 plus 20 is 23. So minus into plus minus, while multiplying these three, 7,866 will come. If you multiply directly, 19 into 18 into 23. So minus into plus minus. That's what that value is 7866. So next question, next example. Let the sequence an be defined as follows. So the given a1 value 1, an equal to a n minus 1 plus 2. This is suffix n minus 1 plus 2. For all n is greater than or equal to 2, find first 5 terms and write corresponding series. Is asking first 5 terms sequence, based on the sequence what is the series is asking. But directly they given a1 value, a1 equal to 1. Next, this expression is applicable for n is greater than or equal to 2. Already n value 1, they given directly value 1. Next a2, n value equal to 2. Substitute here. a2 equal to a 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 2. Already we know the a1 value. a1 value is 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Next n value 3. a 3. Substitute in the n. a 3 minus 1 2. a2 plus 2. a2 value already we got 3. 3 plus 2 5. Next n value 4. a4. a 4 minus 1 3. a3 plus 2. a3 value already we got 5. 5 plus 2 7. Next n value 5. a5 is equal to a4 plus 2. a4 value we got 7. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. He is asking first 5 terms only. Therefore first 5 terms of sequence. Sequences are, what are the numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then he is asking the corresponding sequence series is asking. Series means summation of the sequence. Series. Summation of the sequence is nothing but the series. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. No need to calculate that. We need to write in the expression of summation. My next exercise 9.1. Write the first 5 terms of the sequences in the following whose nth terms are. Means nth terms are given, based on that what is the first 5 terms. So in that first question, an equal to n into n plus 2. So he is asking first 5 terms. N equal to 1. a1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. n equal to 2. a2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 2 is 8. n value 3. a3 equal to 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 3 is 15. n value 4. a4 equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 4 is 24. n value 5. a5 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 5 is 35. Therefore first 5 terms of sequence is 3, 8, 15, 24 and 35. My second problem you can try it, same thing, a1, a2, a3, a4, a5 you can calculate. Second problem, an equal to n divided by n plus 1. Take it as homework. And third one, an equal to 2 power n. So n equal to 1 substitute. a1 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2. n equal to 2. a2 n value 2. 2 square. 2 square value 4. n value 3. a3 equal to 2 cube. 2 cube value 8. 2 into 2 into 2. n equal to 4. a4 2 power 4. 2 into 2 into 2. a power 2 power 4 value 16. n equal to 5. a5 2 power 5 32. So therefore first 5 terms of sequence is a1 value 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Next fourth one, an equal to 2n minus 3 by 6. So first 5 terms is asking n value 1. a1 equal to, wherever n is there, 1 substitute. 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 6. n equal to 2. a2 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 1. 1 by 6. n value 3. a3 equal to 2 into 3 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 by 6. 3 1 is 3 2 is 1 by 2. n value 4. a4 equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3 5 by 6. n value 5. a5 equal to, so n value 5 more. 2 into 5 minus 3 divided by 6. 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 7. 7 by 6. That is a5 value. Therefore first 5 terms of sequence is numbers a1 value minus 1 by 6 we got, comma a2 value 1 by 6, a3 value 1 by 2, a4 value 5 by 6 and a5 value 7 by 6. Next fifth question, an equal to minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1. That is the sequence is given. First 5 terms is asking. n equal to 1. a1 equal to minus 1 whole power 1 minus 1 into 5 power 1 plus 1. Minus 1 whole power 0. Anything power 0 is 1 only. 1 into 5 square. Keep like that only. 5 square. Otherwise you can simplify. n value 2. a2 equal to, wherever n is there, 2 substitute. Minus 1 whole power 2 minus 1 is 1 into 5 power 2 plus 1 3. Minus 1 whole power 1 is minus only. So minus 5 cube. n equal to 3. a3 equal to minus 1 whole power 3 minus 1 2. 5 power 3 plus 1 4. Minus 1 whole square plus only. So 5 power 4. n equal to 4. a4 equal to minus 1 whole power 4 minus 1 3, 5 power 4 plus 1 5. So minus 1 whole cube is minus 5 power 5. N equal to 5. A5 equal to minus 1 whole power 5 minus 1 is 4 into 5 power 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 1 whole power 4 is plus only 5 power 6. Therefore, first 5 terms of sequence is A1 is 5 square minus 5 cube 5 power 4 minus 5 power 5 and 5 power 6. Next question. An equal to n into n square plus 5 divided by 4. N into n square plus 5 divided by 4. This one is separate now. So 5 terms A1 n value 1. A1 equal to 1 into 1 square is 1 plus 5 divided by 4, that equal to 1 into 1 plus 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 by 4, 2 table, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 3 by 2. Next n value 2. A2 equal to 2 into 2 square 4 plus 5 divided by 4. 2 times cancelled. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2. N equal to 3. A3 equal to 3 into 3 square 9 plus 5 divided by 4. 3 into 9 plus 5 14 divided by 4. 2 table, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 7 into 3 21 divided by 2. N equal to 4. A4 equal to 4 into 4 square is 16 plus 5 divided by 4. 4 cancel. 16 plus 5 is 21. Next n value 5. A5 5 into 5 square is 25 plus 5 divided by 4. 5 into 25 plus 5 is 30 divided by 4. 2 table, 2 15 ja, 30, 2 2 ja. So 15 into 5, 75 divided by 2. Therefore, first 5 terms of sequence is 3 by 2, 9 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 and 75 by 2. So next one, find the indicated terms. Next heading ma, find the indicated terms in each of the sequences in the following whose nth terms are so indicated terms means particular term. They didn't ask the sequence according to the order. Particular term is asking. In that Next question, an equal to 4n minus 3, comma, is asking a17 value, a24 value. Particular term is asking. Okay, an is this one, a17 and a24 is asking. N equal to 17. A17 is equal to, wherever n is there, 17 substitute. 4 into 17 minus 3. 68 minus 3, that is 65. A17 value 65. So next A24. N equal to 24. A24. N value 24 substitute. 4 into 24 minus 3. 96 minus 3. 93. That is A24. That based on the sequence, particular term is asking. So like that, 8th question, take it as homework. 8th question is an equal to n square by 2 power n into, that's all, n square by 2 power n. A7 value is asking. Just in place of n, 7 substitute. Next 9th question also homework. an equal to minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n cube is asking a9 value. So in place of n, 9 substitute. And we'll do the 10th one. 10th question, an equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3 is asking a20. So n equal to 20. A20 is equal to 20 into 20 minus 2 divided by 20 plus 3. 20 into 20 minus 2 is 18 divided by 23. 18 2 is 36, 0 will be there. 360 divided by 23. So that is the value of A20. Now next model, write the first 5 terms of the following sequences and the obtained corresponding series. Means here both sequence and series we need to calculate. First 5 terms. Here already given A1 value. A1 equal to 3. So this sequence is applicable for n is greater than 1. Means 1 not included. More than 1 means starting from 2. N equal to 2. A2 is equal to 3 into A, 2 minus 1, 1 plus 2. 3 into A1 value already we know it, 3 plus 2. 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. Next n value 3, A3. 3 into A, 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 2. 3 into A2 value 11 plus 2. 11 3 is 33. 33 plus 2, 35. N value 4. A4. 3 into A, 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 2. 3 into A3 value 35 plus 2. 3 into 35 is 105. 105 plus 2 is 107. N equal to 5. A5 equal to 3 into A, 5 minus 1 is 4. A4 plus 2. 3 into 107 plus 2. 321 plus 2, 323. This is first 5 terms. Therefore, first 5 terms of sequence is 3, 11, 35, 107 and 323. So series you can write in the form of this summation: 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323. No need to add these values. Write in the form of series. Next question: a1 equal to minus 1, comma an equal to a n minus 1 divided by n is greater than or equal to 2. So here they given an value, sorry, an is given and a1 also given. So solution: a1 equal to minus 1. This is applicable n greater than or equal to 2. 2, 3, 4 and so on. We need up to 5 terms only. N value 2. A2 equal to, wherever n is there, substitute 2. A 2 minus 1 is 1. A1 divided by 2. A1 value we got minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. Next n equal to 3. A3 equal to A3 minus 1. A2 by 2. A2 value minus 1 by 2 by 2. Minus 1 divided by 2 to 4. Next n value 4. A4 equal to 4 minus 1. A3 divided by 2. A3 value minus 1 by 4. Here n value 3 A2 by 3. A2 value minus 1 by divided by 3. Minus 1 by 2 into 3 6. Next here n value 4. Minus 1 by 6 divided by 4. Minus 1 by 6 4 24. Next n value 5. A5. A5 minus 1. A4 divided by 5. A4 value we know it, minus 1 by 24 divided by 5. Minus 1 by 24 into 5, 120. So therefore first 5 terms of sequence is values minus 1, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 24 and minus 1 by 120. So corresponding series minus 1 plus minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 6 plus minus 1 by 24 plus minus 1 by 120. And 13th one you take it as homework, very simple thing, same model. 13 A1 equal to A2 equal to 2. AN equal to A n minus 1 minus 1. N is applicable greater than 2. So first 2 terms is given. From starting 3 you can calculate. Same model only. Next problem. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by A1 equal to A2 equal to 1 and an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2, comma n is greater than 2. Find a n plus 1 divided by an. This is suffix only, an plus 1. N plus 1 no suffix only, by an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution, first two values is given. A1 value 1 is given, A2 value also 1 is given. So here sequence we need to calculate. After getting the sequence, value of this we need to calculate. For that n value up to where, from 1 to 5. Okay. So n equal to 3. A3 equal to A, 3 minus 1 is A2 plus A, 3 minus 2 is A1. So 1 plus 1, 2. N value 4. A4 equal to, substitute here, A3 plus A2. A3 value 2, A2 value 1. 2 plus 1, 3. N value 5. A5. A5 minus 1, A4 plus A3 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. A4 value 3, A3 value 2, 3 plus 2, 5. N value 6, A6, A6 minus 1, A5 plus A6 minus 2, A4. A5 value 5, A4 value 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. Now these values we need to calculate. We need to calculate value of an plus 1 divided by an. So n equal to 1, a 2 divided by a1, because n value starting from 1 to 5. So a2 already we got 1 divided by 1. So n equal to 2. Substitute here, a3 divided by a2. A3 value 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. N value 3. Substitute here, a4 divided by a3. A4 value we got 3. A3 value 2. 3 by 2. Next, n value 4. Substitute here, 4 plus 1, a5 divided by a4. A5 value 5, a4 value 3, 5 by 3. At last n equal to 5. A6 divided by a5. A6 value 8, a5 value 5, 8 by 5. So that is the 14th question.